Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host Tiki and you're watching F8 Gaming. So today I'm back with another video of C.A.T.S Crash Arena Turbo Stars. Well, today we just got the new update of this game, and in my previous video I showed you guys that to purchase the minigun we need 300 gems, and to purchase the shotgun we need to spend our actual money. Well, I was planning to do so, but suddenly I saw this new YouTube video by a channel named Maker who has already bought the minigun and the shotgun. But the sad part of the story is that he doesn't have so many subscribers and therefore is not getting much views. So this video will be a shout out for his channel. So if you guys like the upcoming video, make sure to click on the link given below in the description, which will redirect you to the original video of his channel. So let the gameplay begin. So that's all folks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you really did, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, then do hit that subscribe button, cause I keep coming back with various new cool videos every week. So till then, live awesome, stay awesome, and don't forget to subscribe.